Hey there everyone, Subu here. Today, we're diving into a crucial topic for web development in 2025. The landscape is evolving fast, but some foundational choices remain key. We're talking about full-stack development and the debate between two popular JavaScript-based stacks. You've probably heard of MERN and MEAN. Both are powerful and comprehensive, but they cater to different needs. So, which one should you learn? Which will benefit your career and projects in 2025? We'll break it all down. The tech, learning curve, performance, job prospects, and real-world applications. Let's get into it. First, let's define these stacks. Both MERN and MEAN are full-stack JavaScript frameworks for building web applications. MERN stands for MongoDB, Express.js, React, and Node.js. MEAN stands for MongoDB, Express.js, Angular, and Node.js. They share MongoDB, Express.js, and Node.js. MongoDB is a flexible NoSQL database. Express.js is a minimal Node.js web application framework. Node.js allows JavaScript to run on the server side. The main difference is React in MERN versus Angular in MEAN. React by Facebook is a flexible JavaScript library for building user interfaces. Angular by Google is a full-fledged MVC framework for complex applications. This difference has profound implications for everything else we're about to discuss. Let's talk about learning and working with these stacks. React in MERN is more like a library than a full framework. It gives you fundamental pieces and flexibility in structuring your application. This makes React easier to pick up, especially if you know JavaScript. You can start small and gradually build complexity. Angular in MEAN is a comprehensive framework with built-in tools and opinions. It enforces structure and consistency, which is powerful for large applications. However, it has a steeper learning curve. You need to understand Angular's concepts and TypeScript from the start. If you're a beginner or need to get a project off the ground quickly, MERN's flexibility is a huge advantage. For solo developers or smaller teams, this means quicker development cycles. MEAN shines in enterprise environments or larger teams where consistency and maintainability are key. Let's talk performance. Both stacks can build high-performance applications. Node.js and Express.js are fast and efficient for I/O operations. MongoDB is known for its speed and scalability. The real performance differences come down to React and Angular. React in MERN uses a virtual DOM for efficient UI updates. This results in faster updates and a snappier feel, especially for dynamic content. Angular in MEAN uses change detection and ahead-of-time compilation for performance. This can lead to faster initial load times. However, Angular's comprehensive nature can feel heavier for smaller applications. If you're building dynamic UIs, MERN with React might give you an edge. For large-scale enterprise applications, MEAN's architecture handles complexity efficiently. Community and ecosystem. The community and ecosystem surrounding a stack are important. React has a massive and active community. This means many online resources, tutorials, and third-party libraries. If you have a problem, someone has likely solved it. Angular also has a strong community, backed by Google. It's robust, especially in the enterprise space. The ecosystem for Angular is mature, with powerful libraries and tools. In the job market, React's widespread adoption means more job listings. However, Angular developers are also in demand, especially in larger organizations. Both offer competitive salaries. Choosing either MERN or MEAN will put you in a good position job-wise. Real-world usage and case studies. For MERN, React powers dynamic web applications like Netflix and Instagram. Uber, Airbnb, and Dropbox also use React for its flexibility and performance. For MEAN, Angular is favored in enterprise settings. Google uses Angular in many products like Google Cloud Platform. IBM, PayPal, and Forbes also use Angular for complex applications. Both stacks are proven in production environments. MERN is great for consumer-facing apps and rapid iteration. MEAN is preferred for enterprise-grade applications and long-term maintainability. Which stack should you master? There's no single best answer. The ideal choice depends on your goals, skill set, and project types. If you're new to web development, MERN with React is a great choice. React's flexibility and gentler learning curve help you get productive quickly. It's excellent for UI/UX focused projects and startups. If you're aiming for large-scale enterprise applications, MEAN with Angular is strong. Angular's robust feature set and clear architecture suit complex systems, or explore both for versatility. The choice depends on the battle you're fighting. Your stack, your choice. What's next? Hopefully this breakdown has clarified MERN versus MEAN. The best stack fits your project requirements and strengths. Both are powerful, and mastering either opens up many opportunities. The key is to understand their differences and make an informed decision. The tech world evolves, but good software development principles remain constant. Keep learning, building, and pushing your skills forward. Whether you choose MERN or MEAN, you're investing in a valuable skill set. The journey of mastering a web stack is a marathon, not a sprint. Choose the path that excites you the most. If this breakdown helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech deep dives. Drop a comment below. Are you Team MERN or Team MEAN, or both? Let's discuss. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.